How to get one state RP promo codes in 2026. So I'm going to show you the fastest way to find promo codes this year. So first, you go to the official one state social pages. Check the official Facebook page and Instagram page because developers regularly post promo codes during events, updates, and community announcements. Sometimes the codes are hidden inside captions, story posts, or even graphics. So you need to pay attention. And then next, join the official One State Discord servers. This is usually where new promo codes appear before they spread to YouTube or promo code websites. And here's the important part: most promo codes are limited time or limited use. So if you see a fresh code, redeem it immediately before it expires. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.